how to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. So if you want to delete all of your reposts on TikTok at once, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your TikTok application. Now, if you go with your profile and go with the repost section, here, if you have any repost, then you just need to simply go and select that video that you've reposted and remove the repost. You need to do that one at a time, but you won't be able to delete all of your reposts on your TikTok all at once. So go with your profile and then go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down a bit and then go with help center. Under your help center, you need to go with report a problem. After that, scroll down again, go with need more help. And it will take you to the TikTok support section. You can also go with your support ticket on the top right of your screen if you want to go with your support ticket, or you can go with the live chat right here. You can go and just enter repost and ask if you want to delete all of your reposts. You need to just simply go and enter that I want to delete all of your reposts on TikTok all at once. So please guide me on how I can do that. And it will give you some guide on how you can do all at once. But we don't have that option on TikTok. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.